Hello, today we are going to talk about polymorphism. Poly means many and morphism means form. It's a concept that refers to being able to send a syntactic message to different objects, but the message is the same. In other words, we can give a method to an object, it behaves differently, understanding that its properties are different. All variables in Python are polymorphic, meaning that they can take different types of data. It is called runtime polymorphism if variable will always behave the same. Example: make sound, dog woof, cat meow, and the dog quack. Walking, person walk with two legs and the dog on four legs.
Now we are talking about the advantages and the disadvantages of the polymorphism. In Python, the polymorphism is the ability for objects of different types to respond the same operation or method. Now we have the advantages. The first advantage is the flexibility and the extensibility. This can add new classes that implement the same interface. The second one is to generate the programming. This one is to write more generic and abstract code. Operations are defined in the terms of their behavior and not in the term of specific types. And the last one is the code reuse. This can use the same function or methods with various types of objects. Then we have the disadvantages of the polymorphism. The first one is the complexity of the understanding because this has difficult to understand for new or less experienced developers. The second one is the possible method overloading that it can lead to an overload of methods with the same name but the different implementation, which can complicate maintenance. And the last one of the disadvantages is the runtime errors. This can occur at the runtime if not handled properly, no compile time type checking. That is the advantages and disadvantages of the polymorphism. Now we have the abstract class. In Python, over object-oriented programming, an abstract class is a class that cannot be instantiated directly, that is, objects cannot be created directly from it. Its main purpose is to serve as a template for other classes that inherit from it by the providing common methods and the attributes that can be shared by those child classes. To create an abstract class in Python, you use the ABC. What is that? Is the abstract base classes that the module provides tools for working with abstract classes. To define an abstract class, you can use the ABC meta class and the abstract method decorator to mark the method to be implemented in the child classes.
Method overrides allows a child class to provide specific implementation for a method that is already defined in the base class. In Python, this is accomplished by simply defining a method with the same name in the child class. In the example, the dog class inherited from the animal class and overriding the make method when we create an instance of dog and car make so the class-specific implementation of the class. Method overload allows defining multiple methods with the same name in a class, but with different parameter lists. This means that there can be several methods within a class that share the same name but differ in the type. number or sequence of their arguments. Method overloading provides flexibility to the developer to create a more intuitive and consistent interface. Science method when the same may perform similar tasks but may accept different types of data or amounts of information. Thank you.